Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to Bella D Designs. What am I doing on this channel? Well, I came over here to see what y'all are doing. What is happening? Okay, so you know, right? You know that I have a brand new channel and that I'm posting constantly on that channel. Designs by Bella. I'll put it right here. The link is down below. You go check it out. You've missed a bunch of videos. You missed a lot. Okay, so today I wanted to jump on, say hi, see how you guys are doing. Also remind you about the new channel and give you a little sneak peek of my home tour. That's right, my home tour. What? Tomorrow, Friday, I will have my official 2022 fall home tour up. And you've missed a lot. You haven't seen what happened outside. You haven't seen the changes I've made. You haven't seen a bunch of stuff. And you haven't been over to give me some love. So I thought I'd jump on here. I'm also going to jump on tonight on a live just so I can see you guys and see what's up and maybe connect with you all that haven't had the chance to go over to the new channel and, you know, get to talking and see how everybody's doing and all that. But before we get into that, let me show you some new stuff, okay? Some new things. I'm gonna take you off the tripod and give you a little sneak peek of the fall 2022 home tour. So over here, I'm just gonna show you this. So over here, a lot of you might remember I had a shelf up there. I gotta take these down and patch it up. I'm gonna do that. But I changed it up a bit. I put these two mirrors. Don't mind that up there. That's the bell. But I added this little cabinet here. Now, do you remember where this cabinet is from? And this is a gift I got from this beautiful company. Girls, this amazing company. I'm telling you, these are real roses. They're real, and they smell divine. So Rose Forever is the company. So that's the one change I made. I'm gonna slowly turn you over here because you've missed a whole bunch of stuff. But I wanna show you this gorgeous arrangement. Gorgeous. Canadian girls, you'll never believe where this stuff's from. It's all from Dollarama. Can you believe it? Dollarama. Is this not gorgeous? My thrifted apothecary. All right, let's walk into the kitchen. What? Santa? Who's excited for Christmas? Because I am. I'm not going to talk to you about Santa just yet. But you got to come over tomorrow. Make sure you come over tomorrow and see the home tour. So I'll show you the other thing that I changed up. Do you remember this cabinet? I think this looks so much better with the shelves. But come on over tomorrow and see the full reveal. All right, I'll catch up with you later. I hope you're all having a fantastic week wherever you are. And speaking of weeks, have you all followed me on the new Instagram? Because you would have seen those donuts. Top notch. Instagram, the new Instagram is right here. Everything is also linked down below so you can get a good idea of everything. And I am posting regularly on the new channel. So I hope to see you guys there soon. And I'll catch you on the live later tonight. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.